let's go through LeetCode 859 body strings. And this question gives us a string S and a string Go. And it return true if you can swap two letters in S. So the result equals to Go. So take an example, AB and a BA, right? If we swap A and B to return, it will have become BA, so it will return true. And the second example, AB, right? If we swap, the question requires us to swap exactly once. So you see, if we swap once, that will be BA. That means it does not equal to Go. So it will return false. The third question, AA. For this AA, and the Go is also AA, and we swap the first and second A, we get the return to Go. So for this question, we need to find the rules for this. So we'll say, if S equals Go, if they are same, so that means we look at these two strings. If S and Go are same, if in the S there is some character which appears more than once, for example, we have A, B, C, and there is a Z here, they appear twice. So we can swap any of these duplicate Z here. Then it will still be the same with original string. So it is a Go. So if S equals Go, so we'll trying to see whether there is any character appears more than once. If all of the character in S is unique, then we return false. So this is the first scenario. The second scenario is that if S does not equals to, then equal to Go. That means there must have some character, at least one character difference from S to Go. So we try to find from the left to right to find the character index which is different to I, and from the right to find J, right? Then we break. When just sweep I and J, trying to see it equals Go or not. So this is the kind of scenario. The thing is that if I mate J, right, that means this S and Go have only one character difference. In that case, we are also return false. So that is I equals J, and I doesn't equal to J. We just do a swap, trying to see after swap whether they are the same or not. So let's begin to write a code for this. First thing is that we'll say if their length is not equal, of course we can return false directly. Equal to Go length. Just return false. Let's get A equals S dot length. And what we're going to do is that we have two scenarios. If S equals Go, then we transfer whether there is any character appears more than once. We're trying to have the count, right? All right. counts. C minus A. Let's see if this counts. C minus A greater than 1, then we just return true, right? And for this one, if it equals all of the character does not greater equal to 1, that means all of that are unique. Return false, right? So this is the first scenario, that is S equals 1. And if S does not equal to go, what we are going to do is that so we can do cherry, just to cherry. Let's do cherry. And we're going to for we'll have int I equals 0. J equals n minus 1, right? For in I somewhere in I plus. Let's do this. Go array. Let's go to cherry. So we'll say if array I doesn't equal to go array I, we find that from the left to right the index, which is difference. And for j greater equal to 0, j minus minus. If array j doesn't equal to g array j, we also break. So we find the difference from the left and the difference from the right. So the first thing is that if I equals to j, that means you have only one character difference. That will be false. Then here we swap the I in this array, the I and j. Let's say char temp array I equals array j equals temp. Okay, so after swap, we just compare return new string array equals this go, right? If t equals, that means we can swap once to get a go. Not equals, then we cannot. Okay. So the time complexity will be O in space is also in.